everyone, welcome back. In this session we would learn how to solve the practice problem maximum money. So basically first we would understand the question and then we would solve it. In this question we have a robber which has a rule that he does not rob two consecutive houses. So basically n equal to 5 means that there are 5 houses. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Now in each house there is 10. Okay, like 10 gold bars or something. Okay, so every house has 10. Okay, 10 gold bars. Okay, let's take that. Okay, so every house has 10 gold bars. Now according to the rule of the robber, he would not rob two consecutive houses. That means if he is robbing one, then he would not rob 2. If he is robbing 2, then he would not rob 3 and go to 4. Now basically he doesn't rob two consecutive houses, but he needs to collect the maximum money. Okay, now according to the solution right now, the situation basically, he should rob house number 1, leave 2, right? Then go to 3, then leave 4 and then go to 5, right? Otherwise if he does not go 1 3 5, then he needs to go 2 4 and that is not maximum, right? So 1 3 and 5. Now the total amount that he would earn is 30. Now if he would have gone 2 and 4, then he would have earned only 20. So the maximum amount is 30. That is why he is robbing 1 3 and 5. So I hope the concept and the question is clear to you. Now let's solve the question. What you need to do is you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty section, choose basic. Then you need to find the problem maximum money. Once you find the problem, you need to click on solve. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Now let's solve the question. Okay, here is the question. Let's read it. Given a street of n houses, a row of houses, each house having a k amount of money kept inside. Now, there is a thief who is going to steal this money, but he has a constraint, rule, that he cannot steal, rob two adjacent houses. Find the maximum money he can rob. Okay, so this is the question and we would code the solution over here. Okay, so let's start. Give me 1 minute. Okay, enter. So initially the total that he has is 0, right? Initially he has not collected anything, right? For I in range, okay. Now he starts from 0, n, okay, till the end, every time he misses one house, right? So that is why the jump of 2, enter. Over here, total, okay, total plus equal to what? K, the amount that is stored in the house, right? Enter back. Now in final part, I can just return with the value of total, right? Because it has the result. Now I need to check if the solution is correct or not. So I would click on compile and run. Let's wait. Okay, let's see. 1 minute. Compilation is completed. My output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the given problem. Let's wait. Let's see. Okay, so the problem is solved successfully and this is how you solve the practice problem maximum money. I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure you click on the like button and thank you for joining me today. Thank you.